There are some key developments tied to a major issue in the 2024 race, reproductive rights and abortion. Florida's Supreme Court has now paved the way for the state's 6-week abortion ban to take effect. But in a separate ruling, the court ruled that voters will have their say on broader abortion rights and a referendum on the ballot in November. NBC's senior legal correspondent, Jarrett, is here to break it down. So related but separate, two different rulings. Yeah. Let's start with this abortion ban that was passed by the Florida state legislature. It's a long legal road. It's complicated, but the bottom line is the state Supreme Court upheld this 6-week ban, essentially.
Yeah, they basically said there is no right to an abortion under the state constitution. A bunch of states have been dealing with this since the fall of Roe v. Wade. There's no federal right, and so the states have been looking at their own constitutions to see if there was any hook there. Obviously, advocates have been trying to use that as their only last hope, but the court said no, there is no constitutional right to an abortion in Florida, so the 6-week ban can now go into effect starting in the beginning of next month.
Just real quickly, the real impact of this is there are a lot of southern states that have all but banned abortion or have very, very significant restrictions. Yep. And a lot of those women had been going to Florida. Florida had seen a huge surge.
A huge surge since the fall of Roe. But now that it's cut off, people are going to have to travel, obviously, hundreds of miles now to get an abortion.
Let's talk about this referendum, a ballot issue that the Supreme Court said can appear on November's ballot for Florida voters. And this is going in the opposite direction. This would enshrine abortion rights.
Yeah, it's funny to have the decisions on the same day, but they were two different issues. They came up, they just happened to come up on the same day. But the issue there is the state had been saying the language on this ballot is too confusing, not clear enough. And the court said, no, it's very clear what it means. You're now able to get, if the voters approve it, you're able to get an abortion up to the point of viability, which would be around 24 weeks. So the difference between 6-week ban and 24 weeks, obviously huge, but the voters will need to have a super majority, not just over 50%, but 60% in order to actually pass it. And it will be on the ballot in November.
The court said the voters will have their say.
Yep.
Okay, Laura, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.